The importance of these awards is actually sort of showcase the new innovation that's coming out in the industry. So I think this is a great chance for companies to show what they're doing.
Great, I'm here to pick that up on behalf of Vantage Data Center, so really pleased, yeah. Against a lot of competition.
The reason I went to Atos was the sustainability of the company, and going forward we want to be a green data center of the future.
There's a lot of hard work goes into what we do, so to get rewarded for it, we've got a lot of customers here today as well, and so to pick this up feels really good.
Thank you. We keep pushing for more innovation, more advanced research to support our youth and to take the IT to the global world more and more. Thank you.
A massive thank you to the whole of our team that's put a huge amount of effort into this, and it's really helping our company to drive forward.
Feels amazing, but to be honest, it's credit to the team back in the lab. They're working tirelessly to make the switch that we're delivering for extremely low latency, low energy data center switching.
It's nice to be able to show the wider industry that, you know, we are serious about what we do. It's tough getting your name out there, and this enables us to really showcase that we're serious about what we do.
Security in the data center market is something which is not often spoken about. So to be able to kind of put ourselves across to what we do is the best and be awarded for that is something which is in this type of environment is great to kind of get out there.
The types of people that give us those votes are people that really understand what we are trying to do and what we are actually doing, so it means so much.
It's nice to see everybody getting rewarded for their efforts.
I think it's important to showcase things without selling things and share knowledge and best practice. Whether you're a one-man band or one-woman band or a multinational, everybody can enter. So it's a really level playing field, which is really good for innovation as well.
If we don't shine a light on what's good and what's better, we fall behind. Our industry is based upon big events like this, and what we're trying to do is bring out and bring forth a few of the best examples so that they get their voice heard. And in doing so, everyone improves.